Drop it. Yeah. Or keep, yep. Sometimes it's kind of fun. You got a firewood stack. See if you can get it right on there. Yeah. Yeah, you did great. That was good. Hopefully I didn't scare you.
No, that was good. I'm pretty comfortable with the first one.
Okay.
I was waiting for it to really hit hard, but it never really did.
I'm ready for the orange if you want to send that up. Super duper, thank you. All right. Good. Inner thighs get tired. That's like,
Oh, I suppose with those spikes being right on the inside.
yeah, pinching the branch. This one here, I don't really want that. I don't really need that one, but instead of just taking it out, I'm gonna have it on this one too. It'll have two crotches here. And you can let it go right here, because then it pulls right here. I want to tie it here. I don't want it to mess with me. Yeah, if it was over, that'd be no good. Well, actually, yeah, I could go underneath this sucker too.
It might catch your cord or it might catch your glue rope.
Let me tie it and see the line here. Yep, it might get those guys too.